question number 5 in our practice assessment for U1. We're looking at scaling. We're given the scale at 3 centimeters is equal to 7 kilometers. And the first one, we don't know how many centimeters there are in 17.5 kilometers. And in the second one, we're given 18 centimeters, and we don't know how many kilometers that is. So we're going to set up our ratio. We know that 3 centimeters is equal to 7 kilometers. And they gave us the distance of 17.5 kilometers. So we're looking for this number here. So basically, we need to know what times 7 is going to give us 17.5. So we should ask ourselves, how many times does 7 go into 17.5? Well, I know that 2 times 7 is 14. And I also know that half of 7, or 1/2 times 7, is half of 7, that's 3.5, or 3.5. And that gives me my 17.5. So my answer for the scale is 2.5. So I need to multiply 3 times 2.5, and that's going to give me my answer. So I'm going to use that same strategy, that 3 times 2 is 6, and then 3 times 1/2 is 1.5. I add these two together, and I know that that's going to give me an answer of 7.5. So the answer for the distance in the map in centimeters, the answer is 7.5 centimeters. For the next one, I'm now not looking for centimeters, but I'm instead looking for the kilometers. So I'm going to set that up, same exact ratio. We'll start out, because I know every 3 centimeters is equal to 7 kilometers. And in this one, I've been given 18 centimeters. So that's equal to 18 over some number, because it's 18 centimeters. So I'm going to ask myself, to get from 3 to 18, what do I multiply by? Hopefully I know my multiplication tables, and I know that 3 times 6 is 18. So therefore, I'm going to do 7 times 6, which is equal to 42. And in this case, it's kilometer. 42 kilometers is your final answer. Sorry about that. Whoops.